Today we're doing a tool review on the Astro 1453 combination pop rivet and Riv Nut tool. So pop rivets are fairly straightforward for sheet metal fabrication. They'll allow you to mount aero on the exterior of your car, do firewall block-off plates in the engine compartment. That's pretty straightforward. But Riv Nuts really open up the realm of possibilities when modifying your car or race car. So I'm going to be using Riv Nuts, which is a combination nut and rivet that allow you to install it from one side. That makes it ideal for installing brackets, and we're going to be mounting a fire extinguisher bracket in my 2019 Camaro ZL1 1LE. So first we're going to identify where we want to put the bracket. We've already chosen this location. We've verified that there are no brake lines, wiring harness, or anything else that we don't want to drill into underneath this sheet metal. So after we drill the hole to a slightly larger OD than this Riv Nut, we will thread the Riv Nut onto the tool with the handles fully open. Then we'll insert the tool into the hole, and while pushing down, we'll bring these handles together. And what will happen is the serrated portion of this rivet nut will deform. It'll actually bulge just like a pop rivet. The threaded section is in this smooth section here, and it will be fine. The die keeps the threads intact. So this will be a permanent addition into the floorboard of this, or the trunk of this vehicle. You will not need to have a backup wrench or someone underneath in order to loosen and tighten this bracket. We'll drill a pilot hole to start. So we got the hole drilled. We will have our Riv Nut on. The handles are fully open. We're going to put it in the hole and then push down and squeeze together. There we go. We've got it. We finally got the nut to deform. All right, so after you get the nut deformed, it should not be loose in the hole, and you can use your bolt, your Allen screw, to make sure it doesn't turn and it's in there securely. So now we'll do the other hole. So here we go. Here's the final product. It's got a quick release, and the fire extinguisher, well, I guess, comes right out, locks right back in. This is the bracket. This would not have been possible without the Astro combination Riv Nut rivet tool. Hey, so that's why the Riv Nut tool is so awesome. It allows for some great fabrication, especially with brackets. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.